Hello, welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we are going to talk about the kitchen. I have some questions to ask you. Please answer it in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. What is a kitchen?
A kitchen is a room where Papa cook food.
What do people do in the kitchen?
Papa cook wash dishes and prepare meal in the kitchen.
What thing can you see in the kitchen?
We can see a stone skin, fridge, a plate and a pot in the kitchen.
Who usually cook in your kitchen?
My mother usually cook in the kitchen.
What food does your family cook in the kitchen?
My family cook rice, soup, fried meat and vegetable.
Is your kitchen big or small?
My kitchen is small but very clean and nice.
What color is your kitchen?
Kitchen is white and green.
Do you have in the kitchen? What do you do?
Yes, I have in the kitchen. I wash vegetable and clean the table.
How do you keep the kitchen clean?
Yes, I clean the floor, wash dishes and put things in the right place.
Do you like your kitchen? Why or why not?
Yes, I like my kitchen. It is clean and I learn how to cook there.
Thank you for your answer. That is the end of your speaking test. You did a great job. Have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher.